Hi, welcome to Bella Natural Care. I'm Bella. Today I'm going to show you how I make my perfect updo or perfect bun with my natural hair. First of all, what you need, your white tooth comb, your very best friend, water. I have here my pins, uh, these ones. You need those. And then gel. I have two kinds of gel. This one is more like cream and this one is a little bit hard. By the way, these are not my gels. These are my husband's hair gel. But I use them. So start with spraying water so that all the runaway hair can just come back in place. And no need to comb at all. At least I don't. Oh, I forgot another thing. This is a piece of cotton string. It's what I use. So spray a little bit. Oh, I get out of the camera, I guess. And then I go in with this kind of cream gel. I don't really use gel a lot, and I do that. I know it's not lotion, so I probably shouldn't do that. And because I spray water, it helps just to keep it together. Oh, by the way, in the back I have braids because I was trying to do something else before this idea came to me. If you can see it, it's gonna work. See, no need to comb. I'm just moving hair with my fingers. I will then use this one. It's kind of hard and it smells really nice. It smells like watermelon. And I'll do the same. I rub it so that I don't have a specific amount at one place more than the other. And just do it like this. I don't put gel in the middle of my hair because I just don't see the need for it. Plus, I ain't got time for that. And then I go in with my comb, but I am not combing. I'm just going like this. I'm not combing at all. Just like this. That's all I'm doing with the teeth of the comb. I avoid combing by all means, at all cost. Like that. Wipe off some of this gel that makes your hand slippery, and then take my string. In this case, I start from the back, but I always start in front. In fact, maybe I should just start here. But you see where my string is, and then I just push it along. Push it along. It's kind of hard because my hair is preventing you from seeing. Push it up to where I want it. Feeling with my hand. And when I think that it is there where I want it, I think, yes, then I can pull together, wow, and give myself a facelift. That's where you give yourself a facelift. And then bring this ends of the rope, the cotton rope together. I gotta go like this because otherwise my hair is covering everything. Then I tie it. I'm just gonna tie it. You can't really see, but I'm just tying the strings just in there. Okay, it's right there, and then I just pull a little bit to make sure everything is all right. It's not heavily gelled. Oh, that string is running away. So now the important thing is you're gonna go in the middle of your hair and pick out exactly where you want your bun to be. And pick out the thing like this. This is, I believe, in the middle of my bun. Separate it in two and twist only at the end of the hair, pretty much. Like that. You see? And then I'm gonna go around the head, not around the head, around the bun, doing the same thing. I'll show you now. But before I get carried away, I need to leave out a piece of hair. At least here, I need to leave that hanging. And then I'll have to leave another one hanging there. You'll see why. And then I'm twisting again just at the end. Can you see? That's at the end here. Take this. I start twisting this right there at the end of my section. Loosely, not even tight. Can you see? Like that. I'm gonna finish the rest in the back. Okay, so I'm done. I did this the rest of my hair. I look like a native woman. Can you see? I did it the rest of my circle, but remember this is the one in the middle. This is where I want my bun, so I'm gonna fluff it out just like this and tuck it in there. The high it is depending on how high your bun will be, and you can see I have two sections of hair hanging. You'll see why. So you take your bobby pins or whatever they call these pins. Now you're gonna also kind of like fluff this out, and you will tuck. You lay it over the middle part, section it out like this, and pin. Perfect bun, no sponge in the middle. This is the one from the back. Let me just be like this. So I'm gonna lay this just over there, tuck it in nicely, and pin it. So now you just go in and kind of work it out. Can you see what I'm doing? Why is it so dark on this side? I'm just putting every hair in place so you don't see where the sections are, or you don't see the section separated. Okay, and this is how it looked at the top. And now these pieces of hair is to cover my string. I just run it around here. You can also fluff it out like that, and voila. Here is your perfect bun, no stuffing. How do I look? How do I look? It looks like it's with the Mali hair, but you just gotta be clever, girl. You gotta be clever. Let me pin that string of hair. Yeah. There you have it. So you may take a picture. Take a picture. Yes. No stuffing. Look at that. Perfect bouncy bun. Thank you very much for watching. If you think this is going to be helpful for someone, please share. And I gave you a tip for free. The kindness you can do is to share it with somebody who might need it. Thank you very much. Goodbye. And here's how I look in the back. I think after I remove the bun, I'm gonna do something else that sync with these braids that I made in the back. And I know that they are standing like tentacles, but as the days go by, they will lay flat, and we'll just work like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.